cars be too far. What's good? Welcome to today's video. On my last vlog, we put a front lip on the EG Coupe. You see I'm driving that now. And we had a little hiccup where a coolant line popped out. So if you ain't see it, go back and watch that vlog and you'll see what I'm talking about. So basically, the engine bay got a little dirty. And since I put the new lip on the coupe, I want to get a nice wash, a nice detail. So we're shooting over to my boy Like Magic Auto Detail, and we're gonna give this car the works today. So I'm gonna take you guys with me on the ride. Many of you guys know who Like Magic is, many of you guys don't. So today you guys get to see him in action. We're gonna do a couple nice things to the coupe, bring it back to life a little bit. So stay tuned, I'll see ya in a few. Now, huh?
So Like Magic's in the building.
Yeah, I see him. That's my guy right here. We about to get, you know, the coupe about to get that action. So we just show off that front lip a little better.
I'm about to put the boiler on real quick though. I ain't gonna
Y'all
hold
see
it.
how we getting up over here?
Gotta keep my guy
That
warm.
heat up better than a boiler action.
Yeah, hell yeah. Gotta
Yeah,
keep
man.
posting.
Yeah. Let's get to the wash and see what's going on.
They didn't really vacuum your shit. And look,
I already know.
I vacuumed it and look, there's little dirt that came out, you know what I mean? Wasn't really much because this car is well maintained, but you know, it still got a little dirt.
Gotta know, don't go to a detail if you ain't got that air.
If
you ain't gonna get to the nooks and crannies, right, Goldie?
Definitely. Definitely not.
So let me show y'all this extractor over here that my man Like Magic got. This is what I came here for. Well, I come here for the whole wash, but this is the main part of it today. So y'all see how the rug is a little like stained up? A lot of people like to take the rug out and actually pressure wash the rug outside. But this extractor could get the job done just as good. You just gotta know what you're doing. So this is what I came here for. He actually hitting it with some spray and brushing it with a brush on the drill. Giving y'all too many secrets, man. Y'all I'm gonna have to put my cash app and let y'all send payments for this education that we're giving out right now.
Yes.
Right, go.
You know what? I'll give this one a free lesson. This will be a free lesson. Yeah, a free lesson.
Let's show y'all the process right here. We're gonna brush this up. And then comes, let's call that Big Mama right there. Big Mama. So what that does exactly, Goldie?
Sucks the dirt out from the rug and actually from the...
But it's spitting water, right, at the same time?
Oh yeah, it spits water, hot water at that.
Oh, okay.
So,
and then the top part sucks it up.
Part, yes. So suck it, rinse.
Remember guys, a lot of that dirt that's in your rug is actually soaked into the foam under. So this helps pull it out of the rug and actually suck it up from the foam.
Yeah, you can see why. Look at the foam, it should be brown. See the brown foam?
Yeah. Oh yeah. You guys see that? So that's gonna suck it up right now. Look who I got over here. Came to Like Magic, huh?
We outside, nigga.
Oh man, Tego right here. What's up, boy? Everybody want to watch with Like Magic.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, I got my boy Tego in the coupe. He said he want to whip the coupe, so let's see how he do. Let's see what's going on. What happened? Chopper trying to have you what?
Looking like a rookie out here, but
nah, you gonna be alright, boy. We out. Let's go. Don't get me get it. Let's get it.
Come out here through the door, so I think it's a game.
I want to see everybody in Civics, man. I had no idea this guy could drive like this. He drive alright. I ain't gonna hold you.
I'm alright. You know what I'm saying?
I ain't gonna hold you. He drive better than his brothers, I think. I don't know. Yo, white boy Chi-Chi.
See me?
He on it. He on it. Don't get off the gas. Yeah, right there, yeah.
Come on, man.
Yeah,
Come on, stop playing on your jaw, baby. You acting crazy right now, yeah?
Oh,
Come on, man.
Go slowly, and then after you pass the thing, do your thing.
What else, instructor? Instructor, let me know.
I'm trying to let you hit it. Yo, let's go. Let's go. All the way. Third gear. Let's go. Yes, sir.
We outside. You make you want to get a stick car. This is no good.
Yeah. No, over there.
This is no good, Pop.
I'm telling you, these little cars be too fun. Look for her in the drawer. You lost second there. Look for her in the drawer. Oh, let's go.
Yo, I almost lost it, but you see how I handle? You see how I bounce back, baby?
I see you.
Boy, it's like the back brake, baby. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, listen, I'll make my boy buy a Civic.
Gang, you heard? Becoming turbo.
Alright, so like magic, finished the car. My man Tego just drove it. I know you guys seen that on the GoPro action inside the car. But let me show you how clean this car looks now. Check it out. Woo. It's looking crispy, like magic again. Busy. Check it out, man. I also had his tin guy. Don't mind this right here, because we did the extractor on the seat, so just to make sure I don't sit on there and it's a little bit humid. But show you guys. Woo. Looking crispy. Let me open the hood. The headlights here, when you buy them, they come with like a black paint right here, like a black strip of paint. And with time, as I washed the engine and stuff like that, this kept coming off. So it was to the point where it came off completely. So I had the vinyl guy just put a black vinyl strip right here and another one over here. And now the lights look. I think they look way better because the reflection comes forward now. Let me close the hood and show you. Check it out now. See right here, there's no light in between now. So it gives it a nice sleek line, you know what I'm saying? So, but that's it. Check it out. That looking nice. But, as you guys can see, we detailed the car. We had a little fun little drive. And thank y'all all for watching, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tune in for the next vlog. I'm trying to give y'all vlogs back to back. Let's get it. It's Chopper out of here.